Yo, yo, yo. Look who's back. Good evening, everybody watching. Good evening, good night, good morning, whatever time it is. I hope you had a great day or going to have a great day ahead. So let me get straight to the point. Okay. So let me get straight to the point. In this video, we're gonna discuss about this amazing movie, bro. Amazing movie. It is called, as you read by the title, Shrikant. Yes, it is a movie on this person who was actually blind and still achieved so much in life. Like most of them even can't even think that big. Just a blind person with literally is not like partially blind, is completely blind. He achieved that and he showed the world what is impossible. Actually he did it. So actually there's a dialogue in that movie like Shri can't, nahi Shri can. Full cheesy dialogues. So I actually usually don't recommend anybody to watch any movies. You can watch anything you ever want, but you know, sometimes there will be movies like this, like which comes yearly once, you know. ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬರೋ ಮೂವಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. But it's actually Hindi movie. So if you आपको हिंदी समझ में आता है तो हिंदी समझ में आता तो आपको डेफिनेटली उस मूवी को देखकर एंजॉय करना. बहुत सीखने के लिए मिलेगा और डेफिनेटली बाय एंड ऑफ द मूवी आपको जो दिमाग में जो छोटे वो सोच होता है ना, वो सब मिट जाएंगे. यू विल ओनली लाइक हैव बिग विजन. You will only think big after you are watching that movie. Seriously, bro. No matter what your goals are, it will just get multiplied. Seriously, such an inspiring, thought-provoking, like so much about it. I would like to share some of the points, some of the lessons, some of the points that I have learned because of that movie, you know. I just reflected, so I'm gonna share that value. So like, let me cross the signal first. Ship. So like the first point, you know, the first point is you should always believe in yourself, man. Because of the movie, after watching that movie, I actually started believing in myself more, and I'm very careful about the words I speak out. So the first point is have a very strong self-belief and be very strong with what you speak out, and what you speak out you have to definitely do. So in that movie it was like that only, bro. Like even if he's blind or even if many people doubted him, he just had such a self-belief, and he just clearly know, like clearly knew what he was going to do. I had like, this is my plan, this is what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm good at, this is what I like, I'm gonna do this. So many people judged him, many people told you can't, so actually he did it and he actually proved it to everybody that he's wrong. So kind of a strong self-belief that I can do anything, and actually did anything that was possible for a normal human being. He was just like a normal human being, man, but just without an eyes. He did so much great things in his life, and it's so much crazy to think about it. So like literally like being blind was actually a superpower, I think. We had some type of superpower, man. So what he talked if he talked something, if he said something about his goals or his next steps, he definitely does that. Even in that movie, whatever he says, like if he says that I want this deal, thank you for, he just says that, like, I want to make a business deal, for example. So he just says it in reality and just makes it possible somehow. So I have self-belief, strong enough self-belief, and whatever you say, you gotta do and visualize it. So like the second most valuable thing I learned in that movie was, let me wear this helmet lock. Yeah. The second most valuable thing that I learned in that movie was like the way like education, how important education is. Like there is a blind cricket association, like there's also a national game, actually it's an international sport. Like cricket is an international sport, and it also has like a blind person's cricket association, and actually he got selected and for the national team, India team. And the twist is, no spoilers, but he actually sacrificed many things just to get better education and just get more educated and gain more knowledge. Like to gain more knowledge and to get more educated, he actually sacrificed so much things. So what the movie thought was, always keep on learning something, always keep on getting educated, never stop learning, buddy. Seriously, no matter what. So actually that is a really good point. Like no matter what I'm doing in life now, I will really never stop learning. I will focus more, and I will try to put more effort towards learning something consistently on a topic. So and third point, what I learned was, brother, you can't do this all alone. Mr. Shrikant himself, for his business, he had a great person with his investor, his business partner. His name was Ravi. So in the movie also it's Ravi, in real life also it's Ravi. Actually it's a real I forgot to tell you, it's a real life story, brother. This really happened, and on a real life story they made a movie, and it's actually pure reality. No too much drama and gimmick and all, no too much masala. It's actually a real reality. Must direction and crazy sound effects. So must watch family movie, brother. Everybody should watch it. So where was I? Yeah. The third point is, you actually need great people around you to achieve great things. So he couldn't have done it all alone. He had a great business partner who was Ravi, his investor. He's actually second investor in his business, Boland. Like the first investor was the very man himself, APJ Abdul Kalam was the first investor in his business, and the second guy was really like his mentor, his business partner, his guide, everything. So without these two guys, the business won't run. And there was actually a woman also playing a role in his life. Like Sri Devi was his teacher from a very young age, from his school days. Like in school, like there was a blind school trust in Andhra Pradesh, like in Hyderabad. So he met Sri Devi over there, and Sri Devi was the woman actually He's actually a real life teacher and who guided him in the right path at every moment and supported him and got him great education. Yeah, without Sri Devi, he couldn't have got the education. Without Sri Devi, wouldn't have met whatever opportunities he got in his life, and without Ravi, he couldn't have done the business. So the point what I learned was you can't do this all alone. You can fail alone as much as you want, but you need to do good and be good to get the right persons around you, and you can literally take over the world if everything went well. So actually you should be lucky enough, and you should always believe that even I have a belief, even I have a strong belief right now that I'm God's child. Shiva is always there with me. He has a hand over my head always. Shiva is always with me and I'm a God's child, bro. So hopefully as I started working on myself, like really pushing hard, hopefully I'll find the right people and make my dreams come true. Until then I'll keep on hustling, bro. Next level hustling. Literally most of my life I just enjoyed and later realized that it's not the right way, and I'm actually now in the grind trying to cover up all the years that I have lost. But yeah, those were the 3 things I learned from this crazy movie, and पूरा दिल का बात है भाई, पूरा दिल से बात किया आज वीडियो में, and I will always keep on doing this for the next 100 videos. What a perfect, right? Beautiful night with this beautiful bike and a beautiful freaking story. And before I go, brother, hopefully you keep that 3 points in your mind and attack your day tomorrow with full power. Full power, and don't give up, bro. Really, you have to go watch the movie Srikanth, and I highly recommend it to everybody. It's a full family movie, and of course it's in Hindi, but you'll definitely understand it. It's more emotional and heart touching movie, bro. It's a real story, so don't miss it out. So yeah, 3 lessons, don't forget it, man. Let me point out to you, if you're watching it till here, let me point out to you again the 3 points. The first one is have a very strong self-belief in yourself, like never even self-doubt yourself. So have such a power that whatever you say, you manifest it in your life. Like whatever you say, you gotta do it. Okay, have self-belief and watch the way you talk, because that's the only real power you got. And the second point is education is very important. Never ever stop learning, no matter what's your age. And the moment you realize that no matter what your age or what you're doing, you can really learn anything and everything you want, you should never stop it. And the third point is brother, have great people surround you, but actually it will take time. You need the right time, place, and you need it. You need some type of luck also. like I would say to meet the right people. But how to increase your luck is just by increasing your effort. Like try to meet as much as people as possible every day in your life. If you set out to do something big, you got to do that, and try to do good and be good. That's what the movie, there's one more dialogue in that movie, like do good, be bold. That's what APJ Abdul Kalam said, and that's why he kept his company name as Boland. And that's another story, you just gotta go watch the movie. But the third point, yeah, have great people around you, do good, be good, everything will follow, brother. And that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this 15 minutes video. If you already watched that video, comment your thoughts. If not, go watch it, bro. Peace.